Hey everyone, Chef Tanner here. I'm filling in for Mrs. Borg today. Today I'm showing you how to make a very simple, quick hardening magic chocolate shell for your ice cream. So it's only 2 ingredients, just chocolate chips and coconut oil. You need 1 cup of chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once you got that in, give it just a small stir. Nothing too big, it doesn't matter that much. Just make sure they're all coated. Then you're going to start microwaving it for 20 to 30 second intervals. Make sure to stir in between every one so you can get it all melted and get it all nice.
We'll be back in a few seconds.
Hey everyone, so you need to microwave it for 30 seconds or 20 seconds and then stir, and then do that about like 2 or 3 times until it just completely melted. You need to stir it in between each one. So we have a squeezy bottle right here, we're lucky enough. But be careful when doing this. Also, be careful, the bowl can be hot, so I have an oven mitt here. So luckily we have a little spout to pour it out. It rhymes. You can do this, you don't have to do it with just chocolate. You can do butterscotch, you might be able to do caramel, you can do white chocolate, you can do milk chocolate instead of semi-sweet. You can do a lot of different things.
Ooh, what about mint chocolate chips? You could turn that into a mint one then too.
That actually sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Grab the lid. Actually, I need to wipe that off. It's okay if you spill it a little bit. It's a small little thing. If you have a funnel, that works. I'll wipe it off when I put the lid on. You gotta let it cool for a few minutes.
Okay, so we'll be back when it cools?
Yeah. Bye. Alright, hey everyone. We actually let it cool for a few minutes and then we put it on top of their little decorative. It only took a few seconds to harden.
Is it really hard?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
So then we like some sprinkles on our ice cream. Just a little bit, not too much. Or a lot, if you're like me and accidentally grab too much.
Oh my word.
And then just enjoy. See how it's cracked? It's really satisfying.
So, why does it harden?
It actually hardens because when you add the coconut oil as a liquid, when the coconut oil cools off, it becomes a solid. So that also turns the chocolate into a solid, making this delicious magic shell.
All right, everybody.
Bye.